You ready? Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Four minor.
Thank you, Teacher Kela.
Thank you, Teacher Kayla.
Thank you, Teacher Kayla.
Thank you, Teacher Kela. Thank you, Teacher Kela.
Hi everyone, I am Teacher Kayla. I'm a former government employee for 2 years. Way back 2019, I graduated as Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Early Childhood Education. And the same year po, nakapasa tayo sa license examination for teachers and nag-rank 9 tayo sa LET because medyo pahirapan pa rin na magkaroon ng items sa DepEd. And kung private school naman, medyo maliit talaga yung rate niya given na nagiging pa tayo ng experience. So, naging government employee ako for 2 years time. Minimum lang yung sahod ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not maghanap ako ng another source of income? Kasi that time, pandemic yon, crisis yung panahon na yon. So, to cut the long story short, sa scroll ko sa social media, nakita ko itong business na opportunity online and now, ginagawa natin itong full-time. Way back that time, nasa 8 months ko siyang part-time lang after work or during the weekend. Ang kagandahan nito is flexible lang siya, walang boss, walang kota at hindi nagbebenta-benta. Nagustuhan ko siya in the sense na may mga training siya at hindi kailangan na may experience at hindi need na sobrang mahaba ang time na ibibigay mo sa kanya online. To cut the long story short, I earned my first 6 digit dito online and ito na po yung ginagawa natin full-time. Ito na po yung bread and butter natin at nakakatuwa, hindi man tayo nagturo sa public school or sa formal school. Ngayon, nagtitrain na din po tayo sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs dito online. And may time offline din. Nagmi-meet kami and well, may mga OFW na tulungang mag-for good at makasama ang family niya. May mga empleyado na nagkaroon ng another source of income, estudyanteng tumayo sa kanyang sariling mga paa at nag-support sa kanyang pag-aaral at natulungan din ang kanyang pamilya. Nakakatuwa kasi even senior citizen dito, game na gawin itong business opportunity. Kaya if you want to learn more, I can give you access. Just comment, I want to start. See you in my inbox!